comforters as low as 11 US dollars. Comforters are as low as 11 US dollars. Watch this video. It is a must watch if you are living in Japan or intend to visit Japan anytime soon.
Be strong.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Today, I just stepped in one of the stores here in Japan named Sanki that is similar to a Ross, I would see, in my honest opinion, in the United States of America. Watch and you will see. This is my first time in Sanki Department Store, and me already seeing things me never expect. I always hear say Japanese stores are neat and organized, but me never know it was this serious. From the outside, Sanki looks simple, but once me step in, whole different world. First thing me notice, clothes everywhere, but not in a messy way. Everything lined up neat. Shirts in one section, jeans in another, and shoe stock like showroom display. Then I spot something I wasn't expecting. Blankets and comforters, big, fluffy ones, cheap as ever, as I said before, as low as 11 US dollars. I'm thinking to myself, Japan get cold. So me understand now, and everybody needs to prepare for winter. Trust me on that. Walk over the bedding section, and me amazed. I see soft quilt, thick comforters, and cozy throws. Everything look like it made for snuggling up on a winter night. Some of them have cartoon designs, others just plain elegant colors. I touch a couple for test the softness. Pure luxury for real. And the prices way lower than me expect. Me even see memory foam pillows and sheet set. Japan really takes sleep serious. I rate that. Back to the fashion section, head to the men's area and find jackets, t-shirts, and jeans that could easily fit any streetwear vibes. I try on a jacket and me feeling fresh, very fresh, like me ready for runway. And right next to that, me find warm pajamas. Yes, pajama set. Japan don't play when it come to comfort, me tell you. The whole place feel peaceful. Japanese shoppers moving quiet and polite. No chaos, just vibes. And the staff so helpful and kind. Even if them not speak English well, them try and smile all time. In Jamaica, where me come from, shopping is a big vibes, loud and energetic. This more calm, but me like it. Different, but nice. Look at these, man. Look at these. Very affordable. Very affordable. This place reminds me so much of a place named Ross in the United States of America. Yeah man, I'm still in this place named Sanki. Very affordable, and the stuff are of very good quality. Look at these. Look at these handbags. Look at the price. Very affordable. Look at the suitcases, umbrellas, everything under one roof. Belts, you name it. Very affordable. If you are in Japan, you need to pay Sanki Department Store a visit. The prices are very affordable and the items are of the best quality. There's no way I'm going to leave this store and I pick up something. As a matter of fact, definitely I'll actually buy a blanket because winter is just around the corner, as we would say in Jamaica. I have to do that. I have to buy something, and the best thing I'm going to buy is one of those thick blankets. Look at what I'm talking about. Shirts for men, all sizes. And one of the rules that I've learned since I've been living here in Japan, if you wear size large, it is best to buy XL because for the most part, you know, they get the large that you have actually received in the United States. It's going to be smaller. So a large is like a small. So the best thing is to pick up like an extra large. I've been there and done that. Men products, they are here. Everything, as I said, under one roof. Back brace. And they are so affordable. It is here in Sanki Department Store. Look at that. Very good quality. Very good quality. $779 Japanese yen. Not much. Very affordable. Joggers. Everything is here in Sanki Department Store. I said before, they have footwear, all different kinds of footwear. It is here in Sanki Department Store. Yeah man, as I promised myself, so I grab something and I grab a blanket, one of those thick comforter, and I paid nothing more than 11 US dollars for that. And everything was so smooth, the customer service was so good. The lady even pack my bag so nice and she bow and all. Me bow back, of course. Man has carry you very far, you know. And it's a popular thing, it's a regular thing here in Japan. Individuals bow a lot, you know, it's a part of the culture. And I'm here and I just follow suit. So anytime you're on this side of the world, don't forget to check out Sanki Department Store. Sanki Department Store. Don't forget to check them out. You will get style, comfort, and value in one place. Remember, me tell you that here at 12 years gone. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good evening, have a good night. Anywhere you're at in the world. One love.